How to assemble the patented magnetic bottle holder. Supplies required: magnetic bottle holder, cap and base part, 2 pieces of 3M stickers, and your water bottle. Step 1. Attach the cap to the base part. The magnets will turn and lock in position. Step 2. Glue the provided 3M sticker to the base part of the magnetic bottle holder. Step 3. Remove the paper from the sticker. Step 4. Place the magnetic bottle holder on the board. Step 5. Glue the second 3M sticker to the cap of the magnetic bottle holder. Step 6. Remove the paper from the sticker. Step 7. Place the water bottle onto the magnetic bottle holder and press firmly.